We got a loot crate. Let's see what's inside.
Inside looks like a building.
Oh, that's cool. I bet you could flip it inside out or something.
Cute pop. Batman figurine. A Legend of Zelda wrist sweatband. A Star Trek air freshener. It's vanilla.
Put that in our cart.
Batman keychain multi-tool. There's a screwdriver on either end. Bottle opener. A Loot Crate exclusive. The League of Regrettable Superheroes. See here. Little code to unlock this guy on Brawlhalla. Looks like.
We'll have to check that out later.
The Loot Crate magazine explains all the stuff that you got.
It's a poster. As you can tell, we like posters in this house.
We have a lot of posters.
Yeah.
Wonder Woman.
She can do it.
Right.
Cool.
The Loot Crate pen for July 2015. Heroes 2.
I'm just gonna turn the box out. It says, "Flip me inside out." All right, let's do it.
Attempt to.
Attempt to.